Welcome once again to Unboxing Unscripted Unfiltered. And as always, this video is brought to you by Kunuku Coffee Roasters, the best handcrafted coffee in the whole wide universe. Let's get one thing straight. Real coffee doesn't come from a factory. It comes from hard-earned, hard-boiled, hand-roasted coffee. Just like Kunuku Coffee Roasters, CTR. If you're in Aruba, you cannot miss tasting one of their freshly roasted coffee, weekly roasted every Wednesday and delivered every Saturday. It's a nice handcrafted coffee with grit, flavor, and zero corporate nonsense. That is the best coffee in the universe, full stop. And as always, we invite you to comment on this video, and the good and interesting videos will make it into the actual video review. And for that, it's now time for us to unbox another watch, and this time it's a limited edition watch, guys. It's a limited edition watch. It's a slightly bigger box than I expected. I guess that's where the limited editionness comes in. And you know, sometimes some micro brands are able to pull off limited editions, even though they're already limited in the actual sense, because most of the time micro brands don't really produce thousands and thousands of units. That's why they're called micro brands. You know, get a hint, guys. But here, this time around, it's coming from Revelot. And this is a very special package. I've never seen them package their watches in this kind of box as yet. Well, it seems like it's another box there. Okay, well, it's different. I remember that the Revelot boxes are pulled out from the side. Now it's on top. Let's see what we have here. Oh, okay. They're stepping up their game, guys, and here we could see the new Flieger that they are offering, and this one comes in this blue hue. Okay. We've reviewed Revelot before with this kind of strap, and it's a pretty good looking strap. It's a hybrid strap, and here we have a very nice blue dial. Wow. Okay, so this is the wait. Let me see. I thought it was a limited edition. Yes. So here's a hint of what makes it a very special watch. It's a limited edition LIMA 2025 edition from Revelot. Now, LIMA stands for Linkawi International Maritime and Aeronautics Exposition. So apparently this military exhibition or exposition has been going on for 17 years, and in Malaysia it seems like it's a big deal, and Revelot also managed to score that very nice deal of representing their official timekeeping brand. And here you can see that their Flieger is staying true to the Fliegerness of this watch. Let's see. Ah, yeah, it already works. It's a massive case. That's in the way. Let me take that off. Let me take this off first. One moment, guys. I'm sorry. This is you know it's unscripted when I'm doing this on the fly, and I'm forgetting certain things. On the wrist. Let's look at it. I can't wait to put it on the wrist. Okay. So the strap is very premium looking. As you can see, there's a lot of texture going on. It's multi-layered as well. Get this out of the way. Very nice, very nice. And it's also very straight. As you can see, there's barely any taper at all, if there was any. And this one really projects a solid tool watchness to it, and of course that is a very large watch. Okay, I think this is a 42 if I'm not mistaken. This might be a 42. Okay, then screw that down. Let's screw that down. It's kind of weird. There you go. And of course, you have a very large crown. That's a signature of all Fliegers. But look at that dial. Look at that dial, guys. Now, it's not just a circular sunray finish in the middle. There's also a very pronounced texture around the perimeter, and that is, I'm sure that's a hint of propellers for aviation themed aesthetics right there. And of course, you can see the loom blocks right there, the Lumicast loom blocks protruding upwards to the dial. Very, very nice looking. And again, you could see the LIMA Flieger automatic branding on the 6 o'clock, and of course you have the date on the 6 o'clock, which is also very enthusiast friendly and very favorable for many, as they like that kind of position for their dates. Let's move the time 10 to 10, of course. Can't forget that, even though I forget that all the time. And that is like, wait. And that is the LIMA Flieger from Revelot. And it's a very nice watch. It's a special limited edition watch from Revelot. And of course, it's going to have loom. And I don't know, is this what? What is this? Is this stainless steel? Oh, it's a titanium. Oh yeah, I have to like mention that. This one is limited edition. You can see they're numbered. Only 50 units of this very special variant. And you can see there it's a high crystal and it's in titanium. So that is a very handsome Flieger, if I may say so. Comment down below. Let me know what you guys think about this Revelot limited edition LIMA 2025. That's a very old watch. LIMA 2025 Flieger limited edition from Revelot.